Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 1, this is our lecture number 3 of subject science. I am Fazana Anwar from Divisional Public School, Lahore. Today we will talk about unit number 8, sounds. My dear students, just close your eyes and listen. Do you hear any sound? जो भी आवाज़ें आपने सुनी, that are sounds. There are many sounds around you and all the sounds are different from each other. Dear students, clap your hands. This is a sound. When we open or closes a door, a sound is produced, just like this. Most of the time we hear such type of sounds in our surroundings, but sometimes we like these sounds and sometimes not. The sounds around you can be of this type. You are observing here that all the sounds are different from each other. But my dear students, just tell me that how do you hear these sounds? For hearing of sound, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a perfect body part that is called ear. We use our ears to hear sound. Ear is the very important part of our body. Whenever there is some sound, it enters inside the ear and this sound touches the internal parts of the ear. Here we have eardrum. The sound touches the eardrum और eardrum थोड़ा सा disturb हो जाता है. Then this sound transfer to the internal parts of the ear. In this way we can hear the sound. Have you ever listened the sounds on a busy road? This place in the picture seems to be very noisy. Every object in the picture produces different type of sound. Here we are observing the sounds of horns of buses, motorcycles, cars, music from house, voices of people. इस टाइप की सब आवाज़ें बहुत तेज़ और ऊंची होंगी. Such type of sounds are called loud sounds. Loud sounds कौन सी sounds होती हैं? जो बहुत ऊंची आवाज़ें होती हैं और तेज़ होती हैं. Imagine yourself if you are at the place as shown in the picture. Then what type of sounds would you hear? It seems that there would not be any loud sounds. All the sounds would be very light and soft. यहाँ पर आप बहुत लाइट सी और हल्की हल्की आवाज़ें सुनेंगे. And the atmosphere here is very pleasant. We always enjoy such type of atmosphere. That's why the sounds we hear are called soft sounds, जो बहुत हल्की आवाज़ें होती हैं. Whenever your teacher teaches you in class, she always speaks loudly so that you can easily hear whatever she wants to teach you. She uses a loud sound. Loud sounds are those sounds that we can't miss to hear. We can easily hear loud sound if there is any loud sound present. But whenever you talk to your friend or you want to talk in a secret manner, you uses a soft sound. Soft sounds are those sounds that sometimes that these sounds are so low that we can't easily hear. Loud and the soft sounds. Loud sounds are actually those sounds that are powerful and high volume sounds. Loud sounds कौन सी आवाज़ें होंगी? जो पावरफुल होंगी और जो बहुत तेज़ होंगी, जिनका वॉल्यूम बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. Soft sounds are those sounds that are very gentle and low volume sound. Low volume means जिनका वॉल्यूम बहुत कम होगा, बहुत हल्की आवाज़ें होंगी. Loud sounds, high volume sounds, soft sounds, low volume sounds. Sound of chirping of the birds. This is very beautiful sound. We always like such type of sounds. Ticking of the clock. These sounds are gentle and low volume sound. That's why these are called soft sounds. Soft sounds कौन सी sounds हैं? जो बहुत हल्की हैं और gentle हैं. sound of ambulance siren. Is it a soft sound? No, it's not a soft sound. It is a high volume sound. Sound of helicopter. It is also a high volume sound. These type of sounds are called loud sounds because these are powerful and high volume sounds. Most of the time we don't like such type of loud sounds. Loud sounds are very harmful sounds. That's why we must protect our ears from the loud sounds because loud sounds can damage our ears. It can also cause hearing loss. हेयरिंग लॉस ये है कि अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक लाउड साउंड्स को सुनते रहेंगे देन हमारे सुनने की पावर कम हो जाती है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड हेयरिंग लॉस. द पीपल हु वर्क इन नॉइजी प्लेसेस जस्ट लाइक इन फैक्ट्रीज, शोर वाली जगहों पे ज़्यादा काम करने से क्या होता है, एट वन टाइम ऑफ एज दे कैन एक्सपीरियंस हेयरिंग लॉस. दैट्स वाई हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें अपने ईयर्स को लाउड साउंड से प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना चाहिए. If we are at some noisy place, then we must protect our ears from the loud sound. But how can we protect our ears? Number 1. Move away from the noise. We must move away from the loud sound so that we can make our ears safe. Number 2. By lowering the volume. If it is possible, तो volume कम कर दें. Number 3. Use hearing protectors. Hearing protectors are actually those instruments that are used to cover ears, so that loud sounds cannot properly reach the ears. That's why by using all these 3 methods we can make our ears safe from the loud sound. Question number 2 from exercise, and the question is, select from the list below the things that make loud sounds and those that make soft sounds. Put them in the correct column. We have a list of 8 things. We will identify that कौन सी चीज़ लाउड साउंड क्रिएट करती है और कौन सी चीज़ सॉफ्ट साउंड क्रिएट करती है. Here we have 8 yellow boxes to show the 8 objects and 2 large boxes, one for loud sound and one for soft sound. हम चेक करेंगे कि इन येलो बॉक्सेस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स मेंशन हैं उनकी साउंड लाउड है या सॉफ्ट है. जिसकी साउंड लाउड होगी उसको लाउड साउंड के बॉक्स में लिखेंगे और जिसकी साउंड सॉफ्ट होगी उसको हम सॉफ्ट साउंड के बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव मोटरसाइकिल. कैन यू टेल मी दैट द साउंड ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल इज लाउड और सॉफ्ट? यू नो दैट मोटरसाइकिल ऑलवेज क्रिएट अ loud sound. That's why we will put motorcycle in the box of loud sound. Yes. Second is drum. Have you heard the sound of drum? Is it a loud sound or soft sound? The drum is having a loud sound. Clock. Can you tell me the sound of clock is soft or loud? The sound of clock is a soft sound. That's why we will put it in the box of soft sound. Next is bell. Have you heard the bell? The sound of bell is always a loud sound. So put it in the box of loud sound. Next we have cat. The cat meows. The sound of cat is a soft sound. That's why we will put it in the box of soft sound. Next we have rickshaw. The sound of rickshaw is always a loud sound. That's why put it in the box of loud sound. Bicycle. Can bicycle create a loud sound? No. Bicycle has a soft sound. So put it in the soft sound box. Rain. The sound of rain is also very soft. That's why we will put it in the soft sound box. So we have completed these boxes. You will also complete these boxes on your book and learn it also. There is a home assignment for all of you. Read this unit carefully, and while reading, if you find some difficult words, then underline it and learn the meanings of difficult words. We have also completed an exercise question. So complete this exercise question on your book.